Kush, it's time for the puja, so I'm making the preparations. Mom can directly perform the aarti when she comes. Kush, what's the matter? Why are you smiling?
Nothing, just like that. I'm glad to see you getting involved in family. I'm liking it, Niharika. What's the matter, Niharika? Is anything wrong?
No.
Then why are you crying?
Kush, whenever I remember the past, I start hating myself, Kush. All these things were always there. But I never became a part of family's small joys.
Niharika, what's important is you realized your mistake. We shouldn't curse the mistakes that help us become a good person. Try to forget your past, that's all you can do.
But Kush, I'm not able to forget anything. I've done so much with you as well, Kush. I always taunted you for your work. I criticized your music also. I told you to get involved in the business. I forced you to do the business. You didn't deserve all this, Kush. You're very responsible. That's why you are helping love with the business in these difficult times, you see.
And the credit goes to you, Niharika. Had you not explained it, I wouldn't have realized my responsibilities. Now I won't back out of the business. I promise you that. I'll help love as much as I can.
I know, Kush. And I also know that now that you have joined the business, everything will be solved.
It's good. Now that Arjun is handling Dad's case, I think I'll support and help love. Okay.
Kush, just wait and watch how I transfer the family business to my name, that through you.
Hurry up, Diya, we're getting late.
Wait. Take the holy offering. Take the holy offering. God will help you succeed.
Mom, we'll bring Mr. Agarwal home at the earliest. Don't worry. Diya, shall we go?
Deepika, I haven't seen Love since morning.
Grandma, he went to the office early. There's a lot of pressure on him. He couldn't sleep all night also. He was tossing and turning.
So what have you decided about my offer? Or do you want to beg on the streets along with your family?
Hello, Uncle. Your offer... I accept it.
You don't need to worry anymore, Deepika. I will be joining the business from now onwards.
What? You're joining the business?
Yes, Deepika. It's our family business, so besides, Love won't be able to handle the business alone. So it's better, right? Huh?
Absolutely right.
That a storm only causes damages. Look, the storm has brought us together. Am I right? Your 3 daughter-in-law and sons are together. May Almighty bless them all.
Grandma, I'll leave now.
Kush, wait, I'll pack lunch for both of you.
But uncle, this is not going to be easy. I mean, I'll have to get the power of attorney signed by Dad first. I have got the papers ready. Once Dad is out of the business, I think it will be easy for me to borrow money from the market. I'll easily get people's support along with their support. And gradually, the company's reputation will also improve. But
what?
uncle, this is business. How will this benefit you?
You will find out everything, son. Have some patience.
Madhuri, are you doing something? We need to order the puja articles. Order them. There's puja in the evening.
Yes, Mother, I'll do it. Mother, look what I got.
Hey, isn't this the same shirt?
Yes, Mother. Arjun had gifted it to his dad. Look, he kept this shirt very safely in his cupboard since long.
Madhuri, not just that. The father and son have kept each other in their hearts. It's anger. Once they get rid of it, they will be together again.
Yes, Mother. I can't tell you how happy I am to see Arjun's changed behavior. He has started worrying about his dad like he did before. I just hope that everything becomes like before.
It will be. It's said that bad times help you identify your well-wishers.
Yes, Mother. When the police were taking Amitabh away, I saw remorse and regret in his eyes for the first time. He never cared about these relationships. But when he saw them together, he was so happy, Mother.
I'm hopeful that everything will fall into place sooner or later. I fear only one thing.
What is it, Mother?
Karan and Khurana are despicable people. I fear they might tear up family apart again.
Look, Kush, what I'm doing is for...
Hold on for a minute. Hold on. I'm sorry. Were you saying something?
No, nothing. What brings you here?
Love, I've got lunch for you. That too, hot. Love, I know you have a lot of pressure. So I've decided that I'll help you with the business. After all, Dad also wanted the same. So love, both of us will handle the business together, okay? You're not alone. I am with you.
But I don't want anyone's help, my brother. If he joins the business, he will find out the deal between Khurana and me. And he won't let me do anything like Arjun.
What's the matter, love? What are you thinking?
Nothing. I was thinking that my younger brother has become mature. It's good. Thank you.
I studied the case and went through all the documents also. Mr. Agarwal, I'll still say this that this case is quite tricky. Karan Mathur is the main convict of the case, but he can easily prove that he did not pressurize Mr. Amitabh Agarwal and neither threaten him, and we don't have any evidence to prove it.
Look, Karan Mathur himself is evidence. We just have to prove that he's lying. And he has lied many times before to save himself. But this time, the media already has proof.
Right. Okay, I'll use this approach too. It might work in our favor.
Thank you, sir. Arjun, didn't I tell you that we'll surely find some solution? Arjun, I'm so happy that Dad will be released very soon.
No. Dad's release from jail won't prove to be good for me. If he comes back, the business will slip through my fingers again. I have to get the power of attorney signed by him before he comes at any cost, so that the business is in my hands.
God knows what the lawyer must have said. Deepika, did Arjun call you?
No, Grandma. I'm sure they'll be here soon.
Arjun? Arjun, when will your dad come back home?
Mom, to be honest, the case is difficult. But I think Mr. Agarwal will be released soon. His lawyer is quite efficient, so I'm hopeful that we'll get him released soon.
Really?
Yes, Mom, of course.
Mom, do you know? It's possible because of Arjun. Arjun shared his idea with Advocate Siddharth, and he also saw some hope in this case.
There's the lawyer's call.
Yes, Mr. Arjun. I need your help.
Yeah, sure. Tell me.
If we get Mr. Amitabh Agarwal's confession that Karan Mathur had threatened him and he helped Karan with the drug case under his pressure, and we get some proof to support this statement as well, then our case can be very strong.
Okay, I'll try. Thank you.
Thank you.
Mom? Didn't you want to meet Mr. Agarwal? Okay. Let's go and meet him tomorrow. Happy?
Almighty, please set everything right.
Tomorrow I have to distract Dad somehow and get the power of attorney signed by him. But Dad won't sign the papers without reading the papers. So I can't only take the power of attorney. I have to take some other papers also, so that he is not able to see these papers. Now I will have a right to everything that comes under Agarwal Industries. House, company, people, everything will be controlled by me.
Wow, love. What are these papers? Why are you kissing them lovingly? So did you sign a deal? Show me.
Hey, no dear. These are old papers related to a foreign deal. I couldn't find them. I found them today, so I'm feeling happy today.
Sir, here are the papers.
Oh, thank you.
By the way, what are these papers?
Love, these are the papers of our properties and business. Now that I've joined the office, then I should read them carefully so that I don't have to ask you again and again. The faster I understand everything, the sooner I'll be able to help you. Am I right, love?
You won't own the company by joining the business. When will you understand this?
Love, can you keep these papers in your bag? There is no space in my bag. What happened? Any problem?
No, give it to me.
Come on, it's time for dinner.
Niharika, where is Kush?
He's in the room. I don't know. He was reading some important papers. He'll come when he's done.
Did Kush take the papers from my bag? The power of attorney papers was also there in the bag.
Love, won't you have dinner?
I'll be right back.
What do you mean?
Thank God. These are not those papers.
Love?
Yes,
What happened? You left dinner and came to Kush's room?
I just came to check what Kush was working on.
Oh, yes. Mom had told me that Kush had joined the business from today. It's good. You'll share your workload.
Yes, yeah. I realized it later that Love has so much workload. I should have joined the business long back.
Before Kush finds the papers of the power of attorney, I will have to take the bag away.
Love, I forgot to ask you something. The papers in your bag, what are those?
It's been only a day since you joined the office, and you're talking about business. Let's go and have dinner. Talk about the office later.
Listen to him, Kush. He's your elder brother. And you'll have to be with him in the office too. So, until Mr. Agarwal comes back, he's head of the family too. So do one thing, go and have dinner, and I will take this bag.
Arjun! You go and have dinner. I'll pick this up.
Here, power of...
Thank you. You all go. I'll key the bag and come. I can't wait any longer. It's not safe to keep these papers at home. I will have to meet Dad tomorrow and get him to sign them.
Where is it?
What is it, Diya? Hurry up.
Arjun, I can't find my phone.
What? You're a sports person. And sports persons don't waste time in applying makeup and getting ready.
Arjun, I am ready, but I can't find my phone.
That's also part of getting ready.
I found it. You have been fluttering around me. You aren't ready yourself.
What are you saying? Can't you see that I'm ready?
Really? Will you go like this? You say you're ready? Tell me something. Why do you men keep complaining about women when it comes to getting ready?
Because women take just too much time to apply makeup and then get ready.
Mr. Arjun Agarwal, it is called utilization of time, not wasting time. And you see, we take time to get ready so that we look presentable. Not like you. Despite not being ready yourself, you started shouting.
Excuse me, I'm ready. You're the one's taking a lot of time.
Hey! No, Arjun. You can't go like this. I don't think you are ready to go out.
You can't go like this. You can't go like this. Can't you see that I'm ready?
You men have to wear only a t-shirt and jeans. Yet you don't dress up properly. You've been yelling at me, but you haven't worn your shoes yet.
So what if I've not worn my shoes? It won't take 2 hours. It'll only take 2 minutes. She says I haven't worn my shoes yet. She thinks she's very clever. Thank God. At least someone is ready. Thank you, Mom. Mom? What happened? Why are you worried?
Arjun, I don't think your dad will agree to testify against Karan.
But why? Mom, if the court gets evidence, he'll be acquitted. And testifying against Karan, it's in his best interests.
He won't agree, dear.
Mom, why do you think that Dad won't agree to testify against him?
Tell me. What? Mr. Grover has come. Tell him that I can't come to see him today. I have to go to meet my dad. Schedule the meeting for tomorrow.
But sir, you know that he is our biggest investor. Nobody except you and Mr. Agarwal can handle him actually. In fact, Mr. Agarwal's going to jail has left him very disturbed and you weren't answering his calls. Sir, please come to the office. It's very important to meet him. Please, sir.
Okay, I will be there.
You can't testify against Karan. What do you mean? What happened? I'm asking you something. What does that mean?
Dad, why can't you testify against Karan? Dad, the whole world knows about his truth now. Dad, if you don't testify, then our case will become very weak. And how will we prove that Karan has been blackmailing you for years?
Listen, our children are right. All you have to do is testify. Give evidence to the police. What are you scared about now?
Mr. Agarwal, answer me!